Hello, my name is Carmen Benoit. Greetings from Calgary, Alberta. I'm a manager of asset management strategy and planning at Enbridge. I'll be presenting along with Daniel Lawson, customer experience team lead at Copperleaf, at the 2021 IAM North American Conference on the topic of capital planning, transformation, and culture. The oil and gas industry is facing unprecedented levels of complexity and volatility. Enbridge set a strategic goal to make asset management the cornerstone of its enterprise transformation and implement value-based decision-making across all business units. Join us to learn more about the Enbridge journey, how we transformed decision-making processes across all business units and implemented industry best practices in capital planning, driving maximum value against strategic goals, how we challenged thinking around capital classification to drive higher value decisions, and how we realized a mindset shift during planning to make the best decisions possible for our business as a whole. Please join me and Daniel at the IAM North American Conference 2021 by registering on the IAM website. Thank you.